In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a client dashboard with resources and modules. If you're looking to streamline client management or make it easier to deliver resources directly to clients, this guide is for you. By the end, you'll have a fully functional client dashboard that's easy to set up and personalize. First, let's talk about the software we'll be using for this tutorial. I've tested out a bunch of options, and I'm going to show you the one that stands out in terms of simplicity and functionality. It's great for creating dashboards, organizing resources, and adding custom modules for your clients. And for those of you watching this, I've secured an exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's available only to viewers of my channel, so make sure to grab it if you want to follow along. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is sign up for the software and set up your account. Once you're in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard area. This is where the magic happens. Now, before we start building, take a second to decide what type of modules or resources you'll want to add. A client dashboard is most useful when it's personalized, so think about the services or resources your clients will need access to the most. Let's begin by creating a new dashboard. In the dashboard settings, you'll have the option to choose a template or start from scratch. If you're aiming for something quick, templates are a great way to go because they're pre-designed for efficiency. Choose the template that fits your needs. Next, let's move on to adding resources. Resources could be files, links, videos, or any other materials that will help your clients. In your dashboard builder, you'll see an option to add resources. Click that and choose the type of resource you want to include. For example, if you want to upload a file, select the file upload option and add your document. You can also link external websites or videos, making this a one-stop place for all your client needs. Once the resources are added, let's customize the modules. Modules are interactive sections of the dashboard that can display client data, progress, or any other useful information. You can add modules like calendars, task lists, progress trackers, or contact forms. These modules allow you to track important information in real time, and you can also give your clients access to their own specific modules for more transparency. After you've got your resources and modules set up, take a few moments to tweak the design. Change the colors, fonts, and layout to match your branding or personal style. Make sure your client dashboard looks professional, but is also easy to navigate. A clean and simple design is key to keeping things user-friendly. Now that your client dashboard is built, make sure to set permissions. You want to control who has access to what, so you can restrict certain areas of the dashboard based on the client's role or level of access. With this feature, you can ensure that each client only sees the resources and modules that are relevant to them. Finally, after you've made your changes and checked everything over, you can publish the dashboard. This will make it live and accessible to your clients. Send them the link, and they'll have immediate access to all the resources and modules you've added. Key takeaway. When creating a client dashboard with resources and modules, focus on personalization and simplicity. Use templates for fast setup, add the necessary resources, and customize modules to meet your client's needs. Make sure to set access permissions and tweak the design for a clean, professional look. This approach will make your dashboard user-friendly and effective for managing client relationships. Before I close, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial for the software we used in this tutorial. The link is in the description below, and it's only available to viewers of my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.